Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, it's me again, Adinda Ekita Wahyu Kirana. This time, I will explain to you guys about conditional sentences. First of all, do you know what a conditional sentence is? So, conditional sentences are compound sentences that have a condition about imagination, assumptions, and something that has never happened. The assumptions expressed can be realized or not realized. Conditional sentence is a complex sentence or compound sentence which is formed from a subordinate clause which begins with the subordinate conjunction if in the form of a condition and the main clause in the form of result or consequence. Example of conditional sentences is, if I save enough money, I can go to Bali this year. This sentence is conditional sentence because at the beginning of the sentence there is the word if. After understanding what a conditional sentence is, you also have to understand the types of conditional sentences. This is because you can use it correctly according to the existing situation and conditions. Want to know more? Watch until this video is finished, okay? There are 4 types of conditional sentences. First, conditional sentence type 0, or what is usually called general truth. This type is still simple and very easy to understand. Conditional sentence type 0 is used to express a fact with the formula if blah 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 blah, then blah 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 blah. In Indonesian, for example, jika hujan turun, maka jalanan akan basah. Jika panas terik, maka jemuran cepat kering, and so on. Conditional sentence type 0 expresses a fact that is commonly known to many people. Conditional sentence 0 is usually found in present tense form. The formula of conditional sentence type 0 is if plus simple present, comma, simple present, or simple present plus if plus simple present. An example of this type is, if you drink a glass of milk before sleeping, you sleep well. And read more books if you want to be smart. Next, conditional sentence type 1. So, conditional sentence type 1 is a form of conditional sentence that is used to express when a consequence or result is likely to occur in the future. This type uses a sentence with a simple future. The formula of conditional sentence type 1 is if plus simple present, comma, simple future tense, or simple future plus if plus simple present. Example of conditional sentence type 1 is, if you tell your mom the truth, she will forgive you. And I will buy you a pizza if you wait for me a little longer. This can happen because it's still realistic or reasonable for the assumptions to happen. Next, there is conditional sentence type 2. So, conditional sentence type 2 is a conditional sentence that is used to express when a consequence or result can be realized even though the possibility is very small for it to happen. The second conditional sentence is very suitable for expressing dreams and wishes. Even though it may not necessarily happen, it could also become a reality. The conditional sentence type 2 uses would, could, and might, which are used to explain how big the condition will occur. So the formula for this type is if plus past tense, comma, past future, or past future plus if plus past tense. For example, if I won the lottery, I would go on trip around the world with you. And I wouldn't like thinking about it if I were you. And the last, there is conditional sentence type 3. So, conditional sentence type 3 or third conditional sentence is a conditional sentence that is used when you want to express a condition that cannot possibly be realized at all. This is because the conditions expressed are very impossible or just an imagination. The sentence expresses something that is the opposite of what happened in the past. In this type, the past perfect tense is used and auxiliary capital would, should, and could, which are also added. The formula for this type is if plus past perfect, comma, future perfect, or future perfect plus if plus past perfect. For example, if my grades were good, I would have gotten a better job. And we wouldn't have missed the bus if we hadn't woken up late. So, the conclusion is conditional sentences, which are compound sentences expressing conditions, assumptions, and results. There are 4 types of conditional sentences. First, type 0 for general truths or facts. Second, type 1 for likely future consequences. Third, type 2 for unreal or unlikely conditions, often used for dreams or wishes. And last, fourth, type 3 for impossible past conditions. Each type has its own formula and examples provided to illustrate usage. That's all I can explain to you guys. More or less, I apologize. Thank you for watching this video. See you again. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.